Vivian and welcome back to my channel. And I recently visited my family in Vietnam, and for those who don't know that I have been living in Canada more than 6 years since I was 18. So back in the day that I didn't have a lot of chance to travel outside of my hometown very much. So but now I am on a solo trip to exploring the beauty of Vietnam, and I am inviting you to join a virtual tour with me, and so I can show you how beautiful of Vietnam and give you some travel advice and tips to make your travel more enjoyable and easier. Let's see. So what is the best time to travel to Vietnam? There's not really a right or wrong time to visit Vietnam during most months of the year, as there's always some parts of the country where you will experience both sunshine and rain in varying quantity. For the northern Vietnam, which including Hanoi, Ha Long Bay, Sapa, November to March is a popular time due to the cooler and less humid conditions. And for central Vietnam, including Hue, Da Nang, Hoi An, had a distinct climate. The ideal time to visit is from February to August for warm and dry weather, and April to August is a peak tourist season with plenty of sunshine and perfect for the beach activities. And for southern Vietnam, South of Vietnam have a tropical climate with the two distinct seasons and dry and rainy. The ideal time to visit is during the dry seasons from December to April, offering a sunny weather and less rains. This is the perfect time to exploring Ho Chi Minh City, cruising the Mekong Delta, and relaxing on the beach of Phu Quoc. So after I got back from home, I kind of stayed there for a month and to visit my relatives and family. And after that, I moved to Hanoi, and I living there. I stayed there for a month as well because I got a job. So, but I feel like that job it doesn't kind of like suitable for me. So I decided to quit my job and embark for a solo trip. And the destinations of my solo trips including Hanoi, Hue, Quảng Trị, Da Nang, and also Ho Chi Minh cities. And I hope you're gonna enjoy the video and let me know what you think of Vietnam. Welcome to Hanoi. Hanoi is the capital city of Vietnam. Hanoi is famous for its rich cultures and vibrant city. Established over 1,000 years ago, it has been a political center of Vietnam through different dynasty and colonial periods. Some popular attractions including Hoan Kiem Lake, West Lake, the Old Quarter, Ho Chi Minh Mausoleums, the Temple of Literature, or the Big Church of Hanoi. Hanoi is also famous for its street food with dishes like phở, bún chả, this means grilled pork with noodle, or banh mi or Vietnamese sandwich. If you want to escape the city, consider visiting Tam Dao or Ba Vy National Parks. Is also one of those popular destinations among locals seeking for a retreat. And the trips I were going to Ba Vy National Park, and it's a wonderful experience that I have. my next destination is Quang Tri. I actually arrived at Hue first by sleeper bus from my hometown, and when I arrived there, it's already like around like 5 a.m. in the morning. Since I have to wait for the hotel check-in, I rented a motorbike and drove to Quang Tri to visit the La Vang Sanctuaries. So happy, I'm so happy because I always wanted to visit here, and finally I make it happen here. So La Vang Sanctuaries is a popular pilgrimage destination for Catholics in Vietnam. According to local legend, during the time of persecutions against the Catholic in Vietnam, a group of believers sought refuge in La Vang forest, where they claimed to have witnessed an apparition of Virgin Mary, and this event led to the establishment of the sanctuaries. I spend most of my travel time in Hue, and I love the city very much. Hue is a unique blend of Vietnam imperial history, spiritualities, and the picturesque landscape. Hue used to be the capital of Vietnam during the Nguyen dynasty, and it's famous for its ancient architecture, royal tomb, and peaceful river landscape. Here are some of places you should not miss out when you are here. The first one, the Imperial City and Citadel. This is a UNESCO World Heritage Site built in early 19th century. It has beautiful gates, temple, and palace, reflecting a blend of traditional Vietnamese and French colonial architecture. Other famous destinations are Royal Tomb, Thiên Mục Pagoda, Perfume River, and An Đình Palace. Hue is quite of a small city, so it's kind of easy to navigate around and enjoy your trip. And I want to make another video talking about Hue because I fell in love with the city very much, and I want to show you how beautiful and how special of the city in another video. I came to Da Nang to attend a conference, so I do not have much time to explore the city, but I managed to visit stunning My Khê Beach in Da Nang and the Golden Bridge, and I would definitely want to come back here in the future to explore more the city. Things do not always happen according to your plans. I actually got sick right after I landing in Ho Chi Minh City. So again, I didn't really have a chance to discover the city that much, but I felt that the vibes of the city is quite familiar with Hanoi, but it's more crowded and dynamic. Ho Chi Minh City is the largest city in Vietnam, and serve as a country economic center, and it attracts visitors with a vibrant nightlife, shopping district, and historical sites. The place that I visit in Saigon, Saigon Notre Dame Basilica, Ho Chi Minh City Post Office, and Book Street. Thank you very much to watching these videos, and once again, if you like my video, please give me a subscribe and also a thumbs up, and hope to see you in another video. Thank you very much. Bye.